Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Sedona LX Plus in Thunder Gray. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes with automatic projection headlights, bar-type LED positioning lights, and fog lights, as well as a stylish front grille and a protective hood deflector. Moving on, we have 17-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes power heated folding side view mirrors with signal repeaters, privacy tint glass, keyless entry, and remote power sliding doors. Some of the safety features with this vehicle include electronic stability control, hill assist control, and impact sensing door unlock, as well as rear parking sensors. Looking toward the rear now, the Sedona comes with smart power liftgate technology, rear chrome garnish, and splash guards. Here's a quick peek inside the trunk there with the collapsible seats. Moving on inside, we have stain-resistant cloth seating with second-row slide-and-stow seats and third-row folding and sinking seats with second and third-row sunshine blinds. Looking toward the front now, this model comes equipped with power windows and locks, 8-way driver and passenger seats with 2-way lumbar support, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. This vehicle also includes steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, a cooling glove box, a wireless charging pad, and a 6-speaker sound system. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, and both auxiliary and USB input ports, as well as a rear view camera and a 7-inch display. Heading under the hood here, we have a 3.3-liter GDI V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission.